We're saying that it's in a document that is privileged. And in terms of which that agreement, the moment you don't become a state witness, it falls away and nobody has to have sight of it. Because it then goes to the fact that he willingly brought himself and has made admissions, all types of admissions, to which, as the commission, because you are investigating some of these occurrences, these events, and perhaps even the evidence that he makes reference to, it then implies that any witness that comes forward and says to the state, I am willing to be a state witness, let's negotiate. If that negotiation falls through, any commission at that point will not respect the fact that your admissions and the privileged document that you had entered into an agreement about is no longer privileged simply because you are called before a commission.
We did not have, I hope you are listening to me. I hope you are listening to me. We did not have to get to this point, and I'm addressing you as well, Mr. Madlanga, on this. We did not have to get to this point about whether or not this Section 204 statement or affidavit or the contents of it should be divulged. Mr. Madlanga could and should actually have responded to the question directly. If Mr. Madlanga said, your question relates to A, B, C, D point, which is about one of the crimes of which I have been charged, therefore I risk incriminating myself, that we would understand. There is no need for him to refer to the Section 204 statement as some umbrella cover for his protection. As I said earlier, there is authority from the Constitutional Court that says you must clearly identify the crime to which you are referring in asserting your privilege. And then that should take you to whether, in the face of that, the question put to you is a question that you should or you should not answer based on whether the privilege under those circumstances can be asserted. You don't have to refer to Section 204 or the statement that you made under Section 204 and to then use that as some overarching protection. Once it's in the statement, therefore, I cannot answer questions relating to it. It should not. I see your junior next to you is shaking her head. Maybe she's going to give you some brilliant point on why I'm talking nonsense. So we do not have to go there. We are not asking for the contents of the Section 204 statement. All that we want is, because Mr. Madlanga is asserting the privilege, Mr. Madlanga should say, this is the crime, and this is how your question impeaches on my privilege. That has nothing to do, and it should not have anything to do with reference to the Section 204 statement. It does not have to. And I repeat what I said right at the beginning, which is that without this umbrella cover all that Mr. Madlanga uses, we should not have been in this position whatsoever.